There is a group of people in the world who wake up every single morning to money in their account. Not because they went to work, not because they sold anything, not because they did anything at all. They woke up, checked their phone, and the number in their account was larger than when they went to sleep. That is not a fantasy. That is not a get-rich-quick scheme. That is dividend investing, and it has been creating quiet, sustainable, compounding wealth for ordinary people for over a century. Today I am going to explain exactly how it works from the very beginning in the simplest language possible. What dividends are, why certain companies pay them, how to choose the right ones, and the single most powerful thing you can do with every payment you receive. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will understand exactly how people build an income that eventually replaces their salary. Not in theory, in practice. With real numbers you can start with today. Let's go. Welcome back to WealthWise, Toglo, someone where we make personal finance simple and actionable for anyone, anywhere in the world. We have covered the stock market, how to buy your first stock, the best investments for beginners, and how to read a chart. Today is the video most people in the stocks playlist have been waiting for. The one that explains how investing actually pays you. What is a dividend? The simplest explanation. Let's start from the very beginning. When a company makes a profit, it has a decision to make. It can reinvest that profit back into the business to grow faster. Or it can share a portion of that profit with the people who own shares in the company. When it shares that profit with shareholders, the payment is called a dividend. Think of it like owning a small piece of a bakery. Every month, the bakery makes money, and every month the bakery sends you a portion of that profit simply because you own a piece of it. You did not bake the bread. You did not serve the customers. You just own a share, and the business rewards you for that ownership. That is a dividend. A regular payment from a company to its owners, paid simply because you hold shares. Most dividend-paying companies pay quarterly, meaning 4 times a year. Some pay monthly, a few pay annually. The payment appears directly in your brokerage account automatically. You do not apply for it. You do not request it. You own the share, the money arrives. Why some companies pay dividends, and others don't? Not every company pays dividends. Understanding why tells you a lot about how to choose investments wisely. Young, fast-growing companies, technology startups, new platforms, businesses expanding rapidly typically pay no dividends. Every dollar of profit goes back into the business to fuel growth. These companies are betting that their share price will rise dramatically over time. The return comes from price appreciation, not payments. Established, mature companies, consumer goods businesses, healthcare companies, utility providers, financial institutions have already built their infrastructure. They generate consistent, predictable profit year after year. They do not need to reinvest every dollar. So they share it with shareholders. These mature, consistent businesses are the foundation of dividend investing. Companies that have been operating for decades, that have survived recessions, market crashes, global events, that have not only maintained their dividend payments through all of it, but increased them. The most elite of these are called dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased their dividend every single year for at least 25 consecutive years. Through every crisis, without exception. Think about what that means. The most important number, dividend yield. When you research dividend stocks, the first number you will see is the dividend yield. Here is exactly what it means. Dividend yield is the annual dividend payment expressed as a percentage of the current share price. If a company pays $2 per share per year in dividends, and the current share price is $40, the dividend yield is 5%. For every $40 you invest, you receive $2 per year in payments. At first glance, a higher yield sounds better. But this is where beginners make a critical mistake. An unusually high dividend yield, anything above 6 or 7%, is often a warning sign, not a reward. It usually means the share price has fallen sharply, which makes the yield percentage look high even though the company may be struggling. A company with a high yield that later cuts its dividend is one of the worst investments you can make. Price falls and the payments stop simultaneously. The sweet spot for a sustainable dividend yield is between 2% and 5%. Not flashy, but consistent, growing, and backed by a company strong enough to keep paying regardless of market conditions. Case yield quality, not yield size. A 3% dividend that grows every year from a company that has paid without interruption for 30 years is worth more than a 7% yield from a company that might cut payments next quarter. The compounding secret, dividend reinvestment. This is the section that most dividend videos skip. And it is the most important part of this entire video. When you receive a dividend payment, you have a choice. You can spend it, take it as income, use it for bills, enjoy it. Or you can reinvest it, use the payment to buy more shares in the same investment. Reinvesting sounds small. In the early years, it feels insignificant. But what reinvesting does is set in motion a compounding loop that accelerates over time in a way that is genuinely difficult to fully comprehend until you see the numbers. Here is the reality. You own shares. Share. How to start. Dividend funds versus individual stocks. You now understand how dividends work. Here is the simplest way to start. As a beginner, do not try to pick individual dividend stocks. The research required to identify a genuinely sustainable dividend payer is complex: financials, payout ratios, debt levels, industry analysis. You do not need to go there yet. Start with a dividend ETF, a single fund that automatically holds dozens or hundreds of dividend-paying companies across multiple industries. When one company reduces its dividend, the fund automatically adjusts. You never need to monitor individual companies. The fund does all of it. In your broker app, search for Dividend ETF, High Dividend Yield ETF, or Dividend Growth ETF. Look for a fund that holds a diversified range of established companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and an expense ratio under 0.15% per year. Set your broker to automatically reinvest dividends. Most platforms have a setting called DRIP Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Switch it on. Every payment you receive automatically buys more shares. The compounding loop starts running without you having to do anything. Then, add to the fund consistently every month. Even $10, even $20, and leave it alone. That is the entire strategy. It is boring by design. Boring builds wealth. Most people spend their entire working lives trading time for money. They wake up, they go to work, they earn, they spend, they sleep. They repeat. Dividend investing is the process of building a second income that does not require your time. That runs while you sleep, that grows while you live your life, that one day, if you are consistent enough and patient enough, covers a bill. Then 2 bills, then your rent, then your salary. Not because you found a shortcut, not because you got lucky, but because you understood something most people never take the time to learn, and you started. Here is your one action right now. Open your broker app, search for a dividend ETF, look at its 5-year chart and its dividend payment history. And before this week ends, make your first investment, even $10, turn on dividend reinvestment, and let the loop begin. Then drop a comment below telling me, would you rather use dividends as passive income you spend, or reinvest everything to build wealth? Passive income or reinvest. Just those 2 words. I read every comment and I reply personally to every single one. If this video moved something in you, hit like. It takes 1 second, and it helps this channel reach more people who are ready to start building a second income. Subscribe to WealthWise. Next week, I am covering the S&P 500 in full detail, what it actually is inside, why it has beaten 92% of professional fund managers over 15 years, and exactly how to own it from anywhere in the world. That is the video that ties everything together. I will see you there. Let us build.